Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Magento to Omnisend. Alright, so first up, go to the top, click on Apps right here. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, use the search bar and type down Magento. As you can see here, Magento is not available, and when you go ahead and scroll through the page right here, you won't be able to see Magento as well. Alright, so what we'll do is we're going to use a automation platform, which is in Zapier. Okay, just go ahead over to zapier.com and hit on enter. And once done, if it asks you to create an account, just go ahead and create your own account. And then once done, go to the top left, click on create right here. Just click on Zaps. Now in here, go ahead and select trigger, click on trigger. Now let's go ahead and add in Magento. Okay, type it down, wait for it to load, and just click on Magento or Magento 2.x. Okay, as you can see here, it's premium, but don't worry, you can go ahead and go to the top left and click on this drop down and start a pro trial. If you like the integration process right here, you can go ahead and click on upgrade to pro. Okay, Magento, sign in with your Magento account, and there will be a pop-up like so. Enter your full domain, API user, and you'll have instructions right here. The API user is created in admin panel, system, web, services, and the API key is like a password assigned when you create an API user in admin panel. Okay, and once that's done, just hit on yes, continue to Magento. Now, after you've connected your account, you can now go ahead and click on trigger event. Let's say there are new customers or new order from Magento, just new customer right here, for example. Now, what you'll do is just go ahead and click on continue right here and test this step. Okay, after that, click on action. Now, go ahead and find Omnisend. Wait for it and click on Omnisend. Sign in with your Omnisend account, and again, there will be a pop-up. Okay, it says here it needs an API key. So you can just go ahead and click on API integration right here. It will open up your Omnisend account. Now you can go ahead over to your store settings, scroll down. In this panel, click on API, create an API key, give it a name, for example, Zapier X Magento. All right, now give the necessary permissions right here and just click on create API key. Now copy the API key, go back to Zapier to open up the pop-up like so, paste that in here. Yes, continue to Omnisend. Okay, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and select an action event in here. Okay, so it says here from Magento, if there are new customers, okay, again, if there are new customers from Magento, Zapier right here will request Omnisend to what? Okay, go ahead and create a subscriber or send to a customer event. So let's go ahead and click on create new subscriber. Okay, now go ahead and hit on continue and configure it. Okay, click on the plus sign right here under email and just select the value that got the email. Okay, also the phone number, click on the plus sign and then the value that got the phone number. Now in here, you can just go ahead and configure it however you want. If you want to include country code, state, if not, just leave it blank. Okay, hit on continue. And if you want to as well, when you scroll all the way down, send a welcome email, true or false, and just hit on continue, then test this step. All right, and once that's done, once everything is connected, you can now then go ahead and click on publish right here or right here at the top right. Now, once you hit on publish, everything right here will go online. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Just close Zapier. It doesn't matter, as Zapier right here will just wait if there are new customers from Magento, and it will automatically request Omnisend to create a subscriber for you. Okay, and that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.